Hi guys, I'm back at Aldi's. Showing you guys a few little things that they have. These look good. Looking for me like some snacks with fiber in them. Okay guys, they have nice coats for, I don't see the price of these. They're very nice. Nice, like the jersey material, polo shirts, red. Then they have the women kind of like these too, the champions. These are nice as well. And they're $5.99. So they have the black, the navy, the royal blue, and the red. And these are some nice men's shirt right here too. Those are nice. Some sandals for spring. For $4.99. The kids shirts, $2.99. This is also the jersey material as well. Hi guys, the girl is back on another weekend getaway for Valentine's Day. So this is the hotel. Nice red chairs. Yeah, this is the lobby area. So pretty nice so far. We're waiting to get checked in. Hey y'all, so I am at Starbucks getting ready to try their grilled cheese sandwich. I hope it's good. I saw two of my the people that I watch videos. One said it was good and the other one said it wasn't. And I don't have anything else for lunch, so we're gonna try it and see what this baby talking about. Okay, I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, this is my iced white mocha with caramel drizzle. Oh, look at that. So unhealthy, but yet looks so delicious. And then here's my grilled cheese sandwich. Let's see, smells good. Let's hope it tastes good. I think it's best to eat it while it's warm, so we'll taste. All right, y'all, so while I'm at the light, I'm gonna try this ice white mocha, extra caramel drizzle, y'all. Hopefully the light don't change as soon as this is what it looks like. The sun's shining, so I'm sorry. Okay, it does have that real strong coffee taste to it. Aside from that, pretty decent. But the key to Starbucks is you have to mix it, because if you don't mix it, the taste will not be there. So I mixed it and it tastes so much better mixing it up. Because you have to get all that caramel, all that caramel in. Okay, now that's it. So when I park, I'm going to try the grilled cheese sandwich. Alright right, y'all. So I have the crispy grilled chicken sandwich, and it is warm from Starbucks. This is my first time trying it. I already sanitized my hands. We're gonna pray with this bad baby, and we gonna get into it, okay? Amen. All right. So it comes in a little bag, and it has a smell to it. I think it's the buttery, like the garlic butter or something that they put on top of it. But it looks like this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Get into it real quick. All right, I'm gonna put it back in just so I won't make a mess. All right. First bite. Okay. It's good. But maybe as I eat it, it'll be like better. But it's not like, oh my God, you know, the type of ordeal. It would be really good with, I'm sorry, yeah, I'm chewing my mouth open. With like some soup or like a side dish for like spaghetti or lasagna or something like that. It's more like that Italian buttery taste. It's good, but it's not like, you know. So for $6, it better get me full. I do know that. Yeah, these two items were $12 at Starbucks. $12. I love Starbucks. I go every week. It's just their prices. But hey, it is what it is. So go try it. Y'all, I am inside the automated car wash. What's up? It's been a minute since I did a store walkthrough. I think today I am going to go to Aldi for the first time. I've never been before. I need to get me some stuff for lunch and also just to, you know, tour around the place a little bit. So let's go. All right, y'all. The girl is here. I don't know how this works. I think you gotta pay to get something. So we'll see. Alright, y'all. People were nearby and I didn't even know, you know, how to maneuver through the store, but it's like a little mini Sam's Club. I'm just looking for stuff to make a salad for the rest of the week. And yeah. Okay, y'all. So I didn't feel much in Aldi because your girl was hella confused. Yeah, I know you're supposed to bring your own bag. You're supposed to pay 25 cents to get a buggy, but luckily a lady was nice enough to give me hers. And I don't know about the rest of the stuff. I guess you lock it up and then you get another one. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all a little stuff I got. It wasn't much because like I said, I was confused. So got some Fiber One bars. It was like $1 and something, which wasn't bad because I need to get more fiber in my diet. I bought this iced coffee. It was like $1 and something as well. I got some salad because like I said, I wanted to do salad for this week. So I just got our garden salad. I think this was like 89 cents. And the spring mix, I think was like $1.99. I got some shredded cheese, which was expensive, like $2.75 or something like this. And this was the cheapest one. They had Parmesan, but I didn't want Parmesan on my salad. No. Here's the other Fiber One bars that I bought. Well, these are pastry crisp strawberry Millville brand. These were $1 and something as well. And I got a milk chocolate with almonds. I think this was like $1 something. I don't know. And then I got a kombucha. I did not know a cranberry kombucha. I can't say it. Kombucha. Just because I just wanted to try it because I see them all the time. And I think I spent a total of $14 in there. Yeah, okay, the pastry crisp was $1.99, the fiber bars $1.75. So yeah, the highest thing I got was the kombucha, and it was $2.95. And then the salad. So yeah, pretty pricey to me. I mean, it was cheap for $14, don't get me wrong, but I'm just saying, like, some of the stuff that I saw was pretty pricey. But y'all, I'm gonna get on this road, get out this traffic, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.